As a Platinum DoorDash driver on your second day, you should be experiencing the benefits of high status, including priority access to high-paying orders, potential for large catering deliveries, VIP support, and the ability to dash now even when the market isn't particularly busy. Essentially, you should be seeing more lucrative delivery options compared to lower tiered drivers, while also having the advantage of better customer service and flexibility in choosing your deliveries. Key points to remember on your second day as a Platinum driver: high value orders. Prioritize accepting high paying orders that appear first in your feed. As a Platinum driver often gets priority access to these orders. Large orders. Be prepared to take on large catering orders if you have the necessary equipment and are comfortable with bigger deliveries. Dash Now flexibility. Use the Dash Now feature to quickly grab a delivery even when the market isn't busy, maximizing your earnings potential. Customer service. If you encounter any issues, utilize the VIP support option for a quicker resolution. Maintain your status. Continue to prioritize high acceptance rates, timely deliveries, and good customer ratings to keep your Platinum status.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have been promoted.
Today is going to be day number 2 of me being a Platinum driver.
Come on, man.
First day as a Platinum driver did not go too well. Go ahead, check it out right here. Oh, you just tried to click that didn't work? Well, too bad.
How? Hold on, bro.
Video link will be in the description below. But today, or I should say tonight.
Really, nigga?
Tonight is going to be my second shift as a Platinum driver, man. Looky here. They got a $2 peak pay.
We don't care.
I'm about to go ahead and unpause this thing and see what's going on. But before I unpause this, hit that like and that subscribe button. Because check this out. They probably finna send me a crazy order. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. I'm just gonna do it just like this. Whatever pop up, we finna see it together, guys. Because they told me it's very busy out here. And on top of that, I've been sitting over here at Lowe's, not getting no order. So I need something quick.
And when you're done picking up the trash,
I'm kind of stationed nicely in between Chick-fil-A, Papa John's, Little Caesars. We got Chipotle. We got a lot of action around us, man. So look, I'm Platinum. It should not take the full 1 to 2 minutes for me to see an order. I should see an order immediate. Come on, man. What is this? We ain't got no orders done. What is this? I don't see no Platinum banner. That don't look like no good order. What the hell is this? $15.25 for 10.1 miles at Chick-fil-A. Good God, man. What is wrong with these people? What is wrong? If it wasn't for the $2 peak pay, this would literally be $13 for 10 miles. Man, this ain't good. If I decline it, it's gonna knock me out of Platinum. I guess I ain't got no choice. Pickup time is 6 minutes away, so lucky me right there. Oh my goodness, man. They couldn't have done no better than that. All the orders out here, and they had to send a 10-mile delivery is the first one, man. I be trying my best to start these videos off positive. I tried my best. Did my acceptance rate go up? Nope. Still at a 7. This is absolutely crazy. Get up hogwash. $2 peak paying. You still can't even give me a decent order? Oh, that is a decent order. $15 for 10 miles. You know, it's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. This order is trash. And this customer is a clown. Stop playing with me. That was gonna be it. Man, this order is trash. Look at this. They got the nerve. That was the worst delivery I ever did in my whole life, guys. That delivery literally took over 30 minutes. I spent so much time down here in this Amazon warehouse trying to find this one freaking Russian in a 18-wheeler. When I say I'm mad, I can't even express the levels of anger, bro. I couldn't even look at the payout and see how much the tip was. Bro, they got me all the way down here delivering to these stupid. Day number 2, being a Platinum driver. Bro, I was so much happier when I was declining everything. I'm about to drive these 10 miles back. It's gonna be 45 minutes on one order. All right, guys, we have made it back. I'm a little bit less mad, but man, that order really just took a lot out of me, man. We are 40 minutes into the shift because I kept myself paused all the way until I got back. DoorDash is brutal. DoorDash is straight up brutal, man. They is not pulling no punches. We got a $2 peak pay for another 17 minutes. This next order needs to be Platinum, DoorDash, because this is unheard of. This is cruel and unusual punishment right here. This is the kind of stuff that have you up at night in a cold sweat. Nightmare. I'm talking about straight up Freddy Krueger, Jason, Candyman. You better believe it, boy, because I'm out here what's this, 1 to 3 minutes until I see a delivery. I know it better have a platinum banner on it because this is crazy. That is not no platinum order. Oh my goodness, man. What is this? 50 for 5.5 miles. So without the $2 peak pay, we looking at $5.50 for 5 miles, bro. This ain't no platinum. What is this? This ain't no platinum, man. And I bet you my acceptance rate didn't go up. All right, well, it went up to 71. It better have, man. This is crazy. This is crazy, boy. DoorDash is straight up trash. I don't see how y'all be doing this. This is booty. Ain't nothing good about this order. $2 peak pay, man. What is going on? I want to curse so bad. These orders, man, they not showing no love. It's a Friday night. Golly. I can't verify a pizza bag, a catering bag, nothing. What is this, man? Oh my goodness, boy. I'm about to be done with DoorDash, man, because they really starting to piss me off, for real. All right, let's get up in here and pick up this $5 order, guys. I don't even know who it's for. Well, these customers clowns. I'm a clown too for even accepting it. That look like it right there. Who we picking up for Lily? Yeah, for Lily. Thank you, sir. For Lily. Boom. I'll be right back for that. Shout out to the good people up in Panera, making sure this order was ready to go. Man, this customer a straight up clown, man. And they a college kid too, man. Order number 2. We making it do what it do. This customer is trash. DoorDash is ass. I guess, hey, I tried not to cuss, but I couldn't hold it in. What is this, leave at door? It better be a leave at door, you raggedy ass DoorDash customer. Got me out here. All right, right there, we made it to the college campus. Look, we got a Domino's driver right here. College kids is hungry tonight. All right, y'all, let's drop off this trash ass order. This college kid. Just dropping off a trash order. I mean, a DoorDash order. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it unpaused since we got a few merchants down the road. This customer tipped $3. They are a clown and they are broke. But you know what? That's all right. We finna see what we get next. I'm already pissed off. We just got order number 3. And it's very, very bad. It's just as bad as the first 2 orders. We got $10, 8.9 miles. And guess what? At Wingstop, if I go up in here and they talking about some, here's a cup to fill up a drink, I'm gonna probably have to go ahead and get the boxing gloves out the trunk because I'm not having it. This is 3 trash orders in a row, guys. Absolutely horrible. Hit that like button and that subscribe button for me, man, because look, we finna be up in there just like them, sitting waiting for a freaking bag of wings. Absolutely insane, bro. I hope at least I can go down the highway on this one, man, because we done did a 10-mile order, which really was 20-mile round trip. We done did a $7 order, which really was a $5 order because of freaking $2 peak pay. And now we on 10 bucks for basically 9 miles. This is gonna be 18 miles round trip. And they probably gonna ask your boy to fill up a drink, bro. This is ass. This is straight up ass. They ain't sent the nigga no add-on. They ain't sent the nigga shit. But trash. This is crazy. I'm about to bring y'all up in here with me, man, because I know they about to be on some BS. They better not ask me to fill a drink, or this customer is not getting a drink. Let me see. Yep, it's a Dr. Pepper on here. Yeah, all right. Let them not be filling up Dr. Peppers. They won't be getting no Dr. Pepper. Good old Wingstop. My favorite spot in the whole damn universe. They got some bags up there. You got one for Taylor?
Bad, man.
Taylor. Yes.
Wasn't able to make the drink.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Don't even worry about it. I'll sit this down real quick. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm gonna set this down real quick. Yeah, I knew he's finna be on some bullshit. Talking about some, I ain't have time to make it, but he's sitting up there walking around, not doing shit. They be on some BS up in there. And he be trying to play dumb. And I'm gonna play dumb right with him. I'm out of here. We're not making no drink. You wanna play games? Hey, guess what? I can play games too. I ain't coming back for that shit. Hell no. I'm out. That bag been sitting up there for hours. They ain't getting no damn drink. Hell no, they ain't getting no drink. I don't even like picking up at Wingstop for that reason. You think I'm finna be in there making damn drinks? No. I don't work for Wingstop. And his ass up there sitting around looking all goofy. Ah, you better get back there and get to making them drinks so the customer ain't getting no drink. Straight up. Every time I come in there, he be on that same boy looking dumb and not making drinks. I'm not making no drink, bro. And if y'all seen my live streams, y'all know exactly who I'm talking about. It's that same dude, bro. I'm not making no drink. I'm out. I'm about to hit this highway and drive these 9 miles as fast as possible. Why? Because I ain't got no drink in the car with me. That's why. Stop playing with me. Alright, let me get my black ass over here and deliver this Wingstop order. Oh, I can't see nothing. Nah, I really can't see. There we go. Number 4, we got $4.25, 1.1 miles. I think this is a weak ass no tip customer because I think they got $4.25 base pay out of here. Let me see what these people done ordered, man. Cause this order is also trash. We got some Funyuns, some Nutter Butters. What the hell this shit? Nutter Butters and Funyuns. Hello Christmas stuff. Lord Jesus, these customers want some snacks. Alright, here go the chips right here. Now they want some Funyuns. $5 Funyuns and your ass can't even tip. What a damn clown. Let's see, I don't see no Funyuns. I go to Funyuns. 2 for $8. This customer a damn clown, y'all. Bro, what the hell is y'all doing? We need some Nutter Butter. I should make him get this one. Let's see, we need Nutter Butter, which are right here. All right, we got 2 of them, now we just gotta find one more. Oatmeal cream pies. Oh, that's gonna be right here. Perfect. All right, we got all 3 items. Even though we found them all easy, this customer's still a clown. Order number 4. It's a DoorDash order, boss. Boom. All right, let's see what we finna get. I like these. Well, they got a lot of selections, but let's just keep it simple. Just gonna get 4 of these real quick. Doing good, man. It's gonna be all for me. So we just got this order right here, $12.35, 6.3 miles. Pizza and Panera. Oh, I'm in here, I'm finna grab these Rellos real quick out of this smoke shop. And then we're gonna be heading over to grab these 2 orders. We got us some cigar action. Shout out to my people at Puff Zone. They got the good prices on the Rellos. I appreciate that. We heading to Mod Pizza first. We are at Mod Pizza. I think I see my customer's order over there too. So that last order brought us up to a 72%. And this little stack that we just accepted brought us up to 73%. So that right there is freaking awesome. Because, yeah, we need to get up to at least 80 before we start declining any. Let's see what we got. How you doing? Is that for Bridget? Iron. You said iron. Not Bridget. So it looks like we gotta wait. That's to be expected. They don't pay enough for hot and ready. I'm just messing around, man. Oh man. This shit crazy. So you say you finna throw them back in the oven for the people when they get here?
They wait too long.
So basically you just bullshitted me is what you saying?
Nah, I ain't bullshitting. Look, when y'all come, these people make these orders, they gonna show up.
Uh-huh.
They ain't showed up.
Oh, okay, that's what it is.
They ain't showed up. I'm second, I'm ready to in the box.
Right, I appreciate you. All right. Oh man, I like messing with these people, man. That shit be funny as hell. Alright, look, we got the pizza. Let's go pick up this damn chicken noodle soup that these people done ordered from Panera. Boy, them people up in there goofy as hell, boy. They don't know what they doing. Take their ass 30 and they got cheese dripping out the side of the pizza box. These people, sorry, bro. So this is gonna be the end of my second day as a platinum driver. And you know what? We did slightly better than the first day, that's for sure. We have been out for 2 hours and 10 minutes, technically, but 2 hours. So we did a 3750 dash, and then we just did 1220 on this one. So what's that? $49. That's $49.70 in 2 hours. So yeah, that's a big difference from what we were seeing. You know, better than I did during my first day as a platinum driver, that's for sure. but not breaking any records. I mean, really, I didn't see any orders that I would consider bangers, let alone super high paying or, you know, anything that I would consider a large order. So we still working at it. We did manage to make it up to 73%. So that is great. We getting closer and closer to getting to the point where we can have a little bit of wiggle room to be able to decline and maybe increase our chances of seeing a better order. But you know how that go. Just because you get a chance to decline don't really mean you're going to get the better order. It just means you're giving your chance to get the bad one off your screen. So look, if you watch this video all the way to the end, hit me with a plat down in the comments, because you already know I'm out here suffering. I mean, we almost made 50 bucks, so that's cool. Spent like $5 on Rillos, so you know what I'm about to go home and do. Hit me with a like and a subscribe, and let me know in the comments below before you get up out of here. Hey, how is platinum working for you? Because I'm doing this, and I'm giving it the good old college try. But I tell you what, maybe after a week or two, once I get some solid results in, we'll make a concrete decision on which way we're going to take the acceptance rate. Is we going to go all the way up to 100, or is we going to take it back down below 50 and get it in? But as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.